If you're new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you can get notified on our latest videos. Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how you can identify support and resistance in an easy way. So I'm taking Nifty 50 as an example. To start with, what you have to do is switch the chart type to line chart. So here you'll get a line chart with the closing prices. So you have to mark all the turning points wherever the index has turned, and that will be your support and resistance. So let's go ahead and mark them. You can try to adjust the prices where it has reacted the most to get a better support and resistance lines. And now when you switch back to your candlestick chart, you can see the price has reacted exactly at those zones. So this is the easy way to mark your support and resistance. Thank you for watching.